Managing partner contracts can be a daunting task, but with PartnerStack, it becomes seamless and efficient. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to manage partner contracts using PartnerStack, a powerful tool that makes it easy to streamline your partnerships. If you're new to PartnerStack or wondering if it's the right fit for your business, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this platform to handle your partner contracts like a pro. First off, when you log into PartnerStack, you're greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. You'll quickly notice the flexibility it offers in managing partnerships, especially when it comes to contracts. The platform lets you set up, track, and manage partner agreements all in one place, eliminating the need for back-and-forth emails or scattered spreadsheets. Whether you're onboarding a new partner or managing an existing relationship, PartnerStack ensures that everything stays organized and accessible. The first step is to create a contract for your partners. PartnerStack offers customizable contract templates that can be tailored to your specific needs. You can specify terms, conditions, payment structures, and more, giving you full control over how you want the partnership to unfold. This means less time spent negotiating terms over email and more time focusing on growth. Once you've created your contract, the next step is to assign it to the right partner. PartnerStack makes this incredibly simple. Just select your partner from the list and the contract will be sent directly to them for review and signing. There's no need to worry about whether they've received it or not, because PartnerStack tracks the status of every contract in real time. You'll know exactly when they've signed it, and if they haven't, you can send them reminders, all automatically. The platform's dashboard also allows you to manage contract renewals and amendments effortlessly. As your business evolves, you can update contracts and have them re-signed with just a few clicks. This eliminates the risk of working with outdated agreements and ensures that your partnerships remain in line with your business goals. PartnerStack's document storage system is another key feature for managing contracts. All of your signed contracts are stored securely within the platform, so you don't have to worry about losing important documents. You can search for contracts by partner name, date, or other criteria, making it easy to access the contracts you need whenever you need them. The platform's integration with other tools like CRM systems and payment gateways also helps streamline your workflow. For example, when a contract is signed, it can automatically trigger actions in your CRM, or you can set it up to ensure the appropriate payment is processed based on the terms of the agreement. Now, one of the best parts about PartnerStack is how it helps manage partner payments. After a contract is in place, you can set up payment triggers that automatically pay your partners according to the terms you've outlined in their contracts. This automation saves you time and ensures that your partners are paid on time, keeping them happy and motivated to continue working with you. For those of you who are new to PartnerStack, I'm excited to share that you can start using it for free with the exclusive bonuses linked below. By clicking that first link, you'll get access to a free trial that lets you explore all the features I've talked about, so you can see for yourself just how easy it is to manage partner contracts, payments, and more with this platform. To recap, PartnerStack simplifies contract management by providing customizable templates, automatic tracking, easy contract renewals, secure document storage, and seamless payment integration, all within a single platform. It's a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their partner relationships. Remember, you don't need to go through all the manual steps of contract management. PartnerStack takes care of the details so you can focus on scaling your business. And as a reminder, check out the exclusive extended free trial through the link below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to try it for yourself. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that link below for your free trial and start managing your partner contracts with ease. Thanks for watching.